As the prospect starts their journey to explore your services and potentially make a purchase, you have the opportunity to guide them, address their concerns, and ultimately convert them into a paying customer. It's an exciting process, and it's important to stay informed about their progress. In the Vendasta platform, the most effective tool for tracking this buying journey is the Opportunities feature. You can locate the Opportunities page in the Partner Center CRM. It is where you can create pipelines and manage your opportunities. On the company profile page, you can manage your opportunities in the association panel. Click Opportunities, and you will find your existing opportunities there, if any. You can also create opportunities directly here. Add the products you want to sell, select a contract end date, and you have created an opportunity. You can edit the opportunity directly from the company profile page as well. Click on the name of the opportunity and edit the details. Now, let's dive into how you can log activities and make sure your efforts are captured properly. When working through opportunity stages, it's important to adjust the expected close date accordingly. For instance, if you have scheduled a demo with a prospect, you can go to the company profile page, open the opportunities sidebar, and then log a meeting activity with the accurate meeting status and outcome. The activities logged from the opportunity sidebar will also appear on the associated company's timeline. Over time, your timeline may become cluttered with too many activities. You can tidy it up by filtering these activities by type or by switching between a list of default views. In addition to using the default views, you also have the option to create and customize your own view. Let's say you want to see only the notes that you have added. You can create your own custom view of the timeline using filters. First, apply your filters. Then, click on Create Views and select Create View. After adding the name of the view, you will have a custom shortcut to see the activities that are important to you. After you close an opportunity and you're ready to submit an order, here's how you can create a sales order in the CRM. There are two ways you can create a sales order. First, create an order directly from an opportunity. Starting in a company profile page, go to Opportunities, open up an existing opportunity, and click Create Order. There, the order will copy all of the items that you have from the opportunity, so it will save you the efforts in filling in the details of the orders. If you don't have an opportunity, don't worry. You can also create a sales order directly through the company profile page as well, by clicking on Orders and clicking Create Sales Orders. All existing orders can be found here as well. Leveraging the CRM to track opportunities enhances your sales efficiency, allowing you to guide prospects through their buying journey, address their concerns, and ultimately convert them into paying customers.